Hello, here is a demonstration on the new Central functionality that allows you to tie a Centro Form to a platform event. Starting in Salesforce, we have navigated to the Platform Events section of the Setup menu. I've created a new platform event called Centro Form Platform Event. When created, it creates 4 standard fields, such as created by, created date, event, and replay ID. Additionally, I have added 4 custom fields. These custom fields include channel ID, description, message timestamp, and subject. Notice when I try to add a new field, I am limited to 6 different types of field formats. This does not include pick lists, dependent pick lists, or lookup fields. Once I have completed and deployed my platform event, I can then access it in the Centro app home in Slack. Here in the Centro app home of Slack, I can navigate to my form setup and create a new form. In this instance, I'm going to be replacing a case form, so I'm going to name it Case Platform Event. I then navigate to my Centro Salesforce object pick list and type in the name of my newly created platform event. See it here, Centro Form Platform Event. Once I have it, I navigate and use my Centro creation functionality as already existed. Notice that I have my standard or my newly created custom fields here. So I can add the subject, make it required. I can add the description, also make it required, and I can continue. Now with the message timestamp field and the case field, and the channel ID field, in these I'm going to use the Centro merge tags to populate them when the form is used. So I go ahead and move those into the hidden field section and type in the Centro merge tag syntax. So message TS and channel ID. All right, that message TS has an underscore right here, and everything else looks correct. So now I have a Centro form that will fire a platform event with custom fields for the subject and description, as well as setting some merge tags for the message timestamp and the channel ID. If I then connect this form to an emoji, for instance, using workflow setup, I'm going to go to global emoji reaction. Just go ahead and create a new one of these, and I'll just use the one, and I'll find my set newly created form here, and I can go ahead and hit save. Now I have this as my emoji that's going to pop my form. Let's just make sure that's right. Very good. So now when I go to a message here and I just type in something, and I use my my emojis, it'll pop that form that's associated to that platform event. So you should see subject and description and then the hidden fields below. Please reach out with any questions, but that is how you pop a form using a platform event using Centro, Salesforce, and Slack. Please reach out with any questions.